In this video, I'm going to show you a very basic example of simplifying expressions. So you've got the expression x to the fifth times y to the third over x to the third times y to the fourth. Now, first and foremost, you need to recognize that x to the fifth equals x times x times x times x times x. Most of you probably know that somewhere in the back of your mind, but sometimes we forget that. Excuse me. And remembering that makes this problem a lot easier. So likewise, and we're going to work on the y's in a minute. This is times y to the third still. And then likewise, x to the third equals x times x times x. And then times y to the fourth. Alright. Now you'll notice, or if you take these one by one, and since everything's multiplied, you can just divide if there's anything that's the same on the top and the bottom. For example, right here you have x over x. Okay, and x divided by x is just 1, because anything divided by itself just equals 1. And then 1 times anything just equals that thing. So these will cancel each other. And so will these, and so will these. And you're just left with these two x's on top. So this equals x squared y to the third over y to the fourth. And now you're not done because you still have these y's. Now you can do the y's the same way. You can write out y times y times y on the top, and then y times y times y times y on the bottom, and cancel them. But instead of doing that, if you notice, you had 5 x's on the top, that comes from here, and 3 on the bottom, which came from here. You ended up with 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2. We canceled those out. The 3 that were on the bottom canceled out 3 of the ones that were on the top. So you were just left with 2. We're going to do the exact same thing with the y's, except you're going to end up with the y on the bottom because the exponent down here is larger. So these 3 y's up here will cancel out 3 of these y's down here. So that will actually cancel, and this 4 will become a 1. And anything to the power of 1 is just itself. So you have x squared over y. And that is actually your final simplified expression. If you have any questions about this one, please feel free to leave a comment, or you can email me directly at andrew@avmathcoach.com. I do read everything. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.